All right, here we are on a hotel construction site, and basically what we're looking at today is a hotel under construction. Now this is going to eventually be a 4-story wood frame building, and I think it's about 80-90 keys here. And basically what we can see right now to date is we have some infrastructure already being put in place, some utilities, water, sewer, and gas. And this is 3 stories of wood frame construction right now in place, and they're going to be working on the 4th story today, probably over the next week, and get that last story up, and this will be a 4-story hotel. So right now, follow me, we'll come take a look, and we'll get a little closer, we'll go inside and take a look around. Thank you.